All right, welcome to our third sprint, first execution of networking. For this execution, I just wanted to get full character functionality done in our server, and I've done mostly that. If we look at some code here, um, our mage class, this is a mage class for our server player. Basically, we have all our RPC functions down here. One thing I did find out during this is that you cannot call parent RPC functions from a child class. So I have to recreate all my RPC functions in the child class so I can use them. This isn't needed, but I kept disconnecting, so I just left it in here because it might solve it, might not, but this is not needed. It's in the server player. But I'm just going to leave it in for now. I'll probably get rid of it on a future date. So basically what happens is when I attack, I call the RPC function on every single client for this specific character to attack, and I give it its position and its rotation, so we know exactly where it's attacking from and what direction it is attacking in. And when I build a tower, I give it the position of the tower that I want to build, so all clients get the same tower built in the same position. There's only one tower. This is why this is tower 0. In the future, when there's more towers, I can either have a list like an info base for all the towers, so all clients get the towers, or if this works, I can send it a game object and it will just instantiate the game object I send it. I haven't really messed around with putting game objects as parameters though, so I don't know exactly how that works. And then whenever we move, we call the RPC set position so that all clients are synced to our position. Same with rotation, and then when we want to change our animations, we have to set our animator speeds as well. So when we're grounded, we stop jumping, and when we're running, we want to make sure we're running on all scenes. All right, let's go to this game. I'm gonna make this smaller so we can see. I'm gonna quickly build the project. So we have two clients running here. I'll click play. Here's our second client. I want to make sure this is maximized. Perfect. I'll click play on our first client here. I fixed the camera so now we can actually see where we are. I'll click play on the second client. So we can see our character over there and we can see our character over here. Now, if we look at the zombie, we can see that he has a health bar shows up, or look away, it goes away. And I can shoot the zombie and he loses some health. I can press K to spawn barriers. They spawn wherever I'm looking and there is a certain distance. I cannot put a barrier any farther than this. So I'll put one down. We'll go to our other character here. We can see the barriers that we instantiated, and we can see that the zombie did take some health. If I shoot in front of our other guy, we can see, oh, and we disconnected. That that's just absolutely fantastic. But we can see here that we can build barriers. If I go back here and I rejoin the lobby, we can see the barrier that my guy took. And enemies are not synced yet, so their health will respawn at 10. For the next execution, I plan on syncing enemy positions and health. I'm planning on making like a host, although I'm not sure how to do that because before I like this, if I go near the zombie, he will follow me. But if my position isn't exactly the same on all clients, the zombie will only follow me on my client and not on others. So the zombie can actually get moved in different positions. So I'm planning on making a host so that all the zombies are synced to just that one client. So we don't have like multiple zombies going in different directions or spawning in different spots. So I'm going to be working on that for the next execution, and that's pretty much it for this execution. I just got full player functionality to go across all servers. I can build things, I can shoot things, and it all works on all clients. So thank you for listening to this execution, and I hope you have a great day.